So do you know what is inside a GoPro? Let's dismantle the GoPro and see what's inside. GoPro casing. It is the casing in which GoPro is packed and it is water resistant. 20 megapixel camera sensor. Complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, CMOS sensor, GoPro circuit board, which contains SD card slot, USB Type-C slot, Type 3.0, LCD screen. Front LCD screen with live preview. GPS sensor and shutter button. GPS sensor to record geolocation of the photo and shutter button to capture photos. Front LCD display. Display to capture, focus and control other features. It is a touchscreen display. Lithium-ion battery. It has a rechargeable battery of 1720 mAh. Battery casing. The case which holds the battery inside GoPro. Mode button. For adjusting modes. So that's it for today's video. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more animated videos. Stay tuned.